Plant FAQs. Colocasia Nancy's Revenge. Colocasia Nancy's Revenge. FAQs with Ferbvu. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Ferbvu here, and today we delve into the captivating world of Colocasia Nancy's Revenge. This stunning elephant ear boasts an eye-catching display of foliage, making it a coveted addition to any indoor or outdoor space. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Colocasia Nancy's Revenge special? Bold Y-vein pattern. Unlike its Colocasia cousins, Nancy's Revenge flaunts a dramatic Y-shaped pattern on its leaves. The vibrant green foliage is accentuated by striking yellow or white veins that radiate from the center, creating a mesmerizing contrast. Maturity matters. This beauty unfolds its true potential with age. As the plant matures, the initial cream variegation intensifies, transforming into a striking white that extends down the central vein and branches out in a majestic Y formation. Imposing presence. Nancy's Revenge boasts impressive size. With proper care, it can reach heights of up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, making a bold statement in your home or garden. How to care for Colocasia Nancy's Revenge. Light. Nancy's Revenge thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sun exposure that can scorch the leaves. Consider placing it near an east-facing window for optimal light conditions. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid soggy soil, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. This tropical beauty appreciates a humid environment. Misting the leaves regularly or using a pebble tray filled with water can help maintain humidity levels. Soil. Opt for well-draining, fertile potting mix. A mixture of peat moss, perlite, and compost works well. Fertilization. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once a month. Avoid over-fertilizing, which can damage the plant. Temperature. Nancy's Revenge prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Winter care. As temperatures dip, reduce watering frequency. Dormancy is typical during winter. You may notice the foliage dying back, but fret not. The plant will resume growth come spring. Is Nancy's Revenge easy to grow? While not the most challenging plant, Nancy's Revenge does require a bit of attention. Its preference for consistent moisture, humidity, and warm temperatures might not be ideal for neglectful plant parents. However, with the right care, it's a rewarding addition to your collection. Can I grow Nancy's Revenge outdoors? Yes, Nancy's Revenge can thrive outdoors in USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11. However, ensure it receives adequate protection from harsh sunlight and frost. If residing in cooler zones, consider growing it in a container that can be brought indoors during winter. How often should I repot Nancy's Revenge? Repotting is necessary when the plant outgrows its current container. Signs include roots circling the pot or the plant pushing itself out of the pot. Repotting every 1 to 2 years in a pot slightly larger than the previous one is recommended. Does Nancy's Revenge produce flowers? While the foliage is the true star of the show, Nancy's Revenge can occasionally produce small, insignificant flowers. These are not particularly ornamental and can be removed if desired. Comparison: Nancy's Revenge versus other elephant ears. Colocasia Black Magic. This variety offers dramatic dark purple-black foliage, contrasting beautifully with Nancy's Revenge's vibrant green and yellow/white tones. Both varieties require similar care. Colocasia zebrina. This cousin boasts captivating striped foliage with a zebra-like pattern. However, Colocasia zebrina prefers slightly drier conditions compared to the moisture-loving Nancy's Revenge. Caladium. Often mistaken for elephant ears, caladiums showcase a wider variety of colorful foliage patterns. However, caladiums are typically smaller than Nancy's Revenge and require slightly more light. Colocasia Nancy's Revenge versus White Lava. A comparison between White Lava and Nancy's Revenge highlights their leaf differences. White Lava showcases semi-glossy medium green leaves with bold white markings and veins. Conversely, Nancy's Revenge exhibits central markings that do not extend to the veins on its leaves. Ultimately, The choice depends on your personal preference and the aesthetics you wish to achieve in your space. Where can I find Nancy's Revenge? This beauty can be found at online retailers specializing in rare plants or reputable local nurseries. Its popularity might lead to limited availability, so keep an eye out and act fast if you stumble upon one. Colocasia Nancy's Revenge versus White Lava. Colocasia White Lava is the opposite of Nancy's Revenge. This Colocasia showed off its colors right away. The leaves are a rich green canvas splashed with bold white markings, and the veins themselves are a crisp white. It's a showstopper from the moment a new leaf unfurls. I love how vibrant it is. It adds a real pop to my indoor jungle. With its captivating foliage and imposing presence, Colocasia Nancy's Revenge is a true conversation starter. The journey of nurturing this botanical wonder is as rewarding as the final result. So, are you ready to welcome a touch of the tropics into your life? Embrace the challenge and witness the magic of Nancy's Revenge unfold.